I was seconds away from signing a contract written entirely in German, a language I didn't understand. Everyone around me was nodding, smiling, pressuring. But just when the pen touched the paper, the cleaning lady's teenage daughter burst into the room, and what she did next flipped the entire room upside down. This isn't just about a document. This is about betrayal, bravery, and a girl no one saw coming. My name is Alex, and a few years ago, I got the opportunity of a lifetime, or so I thought. I had moved to Munich on a work visa to help expand my startup. Things were rocky, but promising. I was young, full of ambition, and desperate to make it. A large German tech conglomerate showed interest in acquiring our company. They flew me in, treated me like royalty. Wine, steak dinners, hotel suites. They called it a partnership. I called it a dream. But there was one catch. The deal was entirely in German. I asked for a translator. They said one would be provided later. Every time I pushed back, I was told, "Don't worry, standard practice, legal stuff. Just sign and we'll go over it later." That later never came. Now, here's where things get strange. I was staying at a beautiful but old apartment owned by the company, the kind that came with daily cleaning. That's where I met Ingrid, the woman who cleaned the apartment. She was quiet, kind, and her teenage daughter, Sophia, often waited in the lobby after school. One afternoon, I was reviewing the thick stack of documents at the apartment. Frustrated, tired, and completely out of my depth, I muttered aloud, "I wish someone could just translate this." That's when I heard a voice behind me say, "I can, it's not good." It was Sophia. She had quietly walked in, waiting for her mother to finish up. I blinked in surprise. "You read German?" I asked. "Born here? Straight A's?" She smiled. We sat down on the couch, and she started going line by line. Her cheerful face slowly turned pale. "This isn't a partnership," she said. "They're buying everything. You'll lose your company. And you'll owe them penalties if you walk away later." I froze. My heart sank. I was about to sign my life's work away, but Sophia wasn't done. She grabbed her phone and snapped pictures of the pages. "You need a real lawyer. My uncle's a labor attorney. He'll help." That night, we met her uncle at his tiny office downtown. He confirmed everything Sophia said, and more. The contract was a trap, meant to strip me of rights and tie me to a 10-year non-compete. I wanted to scream. I wanted to break something. But most of all, I wanted to thank that 16-year-old girl who had just saved my future. The next day, I confronted the company with a lawyer by my side. Their smiles turned cold, then angry. "We thought you trusted us," one executive said. I replied, "I trust honesty, not entrapment." I walked out, head high, needing payoff and emotional close. 6 months later, my startup secured funding from a Dutch investor, someone who believed in fair deals and plain language. As for Sophia, I kept in touch. She later earned a scholarship to study law. Today, she interns at a human rights organization, fighting for immigrants and foreign workers. People just like I almost became, and that cleaning lady's daughter. She became my biggest lifesaver in a foreign land. Not all heroes wear suits. Some carry school bags, speak up when no one else dares. If you believe in standing up for what's right, no matter your age or background, share this story. And if you ever find yourself in unfamiliar territory, remember, help can come from the most unexpected places. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories that prove one small voice can change everything.